Ever wondered how to crimp a Cat6 cable? These cables are paramount in our connected world. Today you will learn how to crimp a Cat6 cable in just a few simple steps. First, gather the necessary tools. You'll need a few key items: a length of Cat6 cable, a crimping tool, a wire cutter, and some RJ45 connectors. These are crucial to successfully crimping your cable. With these tools in hand, you're ready to get started. Now, prepare your Cat6 cable. Start by measuring out the length you need with a tape measure. Then, with a steady hand and a sharp cable cutter, make a clean cut. Next, take a cable stripper to gently remove the outer insulation. Be careful not to nick the inner wires. This is a delicate operation requiring patience and precision. You're now ready to arrange the wires. Next, arrange the wires in the correct order. Start with the white-orange wire, followed by orange, then white-green, blue, green, white-brown, and finally brown. To straighten them, simply run your fingers along each wire and align them parallel to each other. With the wires neatly arranged, you can insert them into the RJ45 connector. Finally, it's time to crimp the cable. Start by inserting the cable into the RJ45 connector, making sure that the wires are fully inserted and in the correct order. Feel free to double-check. It's better to be safe than sorry. Once everything's in place, take your crimping tool and use it to secure the connector to the cable. Make sure it's nice and tight. And there you have it. Congratulations, you've successfully crimped a Cat6 cable. In review, the process is quite straightforward. Begin by preparing your tools. Then, cut and strip your Cat6 cable. Arrange the wires in the correct order. Lastly, crimp the connector firmly onto the arranged wires. With this knowledge, you can now crimp Cat6 cables whenever needed. Happy crimping!